Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. This is the AVAX chart on the 4-hour time frame. Before we zoom into the microstructures, let me explain to everybody who is new on the channel what the overall idea is on this chart. Well, bigger picture is that we have a potentially bullish structure. The market is now in a larger support zone where anywhere here really from one of these fib levels, either $24, $18.80, or $13.39, we'd like to see an upside reversal. This is a 5-wave move to the upside and a corrective pullback. This is what we're watching. This is a potentially bullish setup on the larger time frame, on the 4-hour time frame here. 5 waves up usually indicate further upside trend continuation. Now, this is not the most beautiful 5-wave move up, but well, you know, it is still worth watching. We have this potential 5-wave move up. We have this 3-wave correction. So we're now quite deep in a support area. So either from the last low or maybe the next one, ideally, I'd like to see a reversal. It would be ideal, just in an ideal Elliott wave world, if the price could form one more low and then we go. And I will explain why. But basically, when we just look at it from a larger time frame point of view, you can see that the price is still in this corrective price channel. And it's in this corrective channel. I mean, as long as we are in the corrective channel, the correction is technically still unfolding. And one more low definitely has to be considered. If there is one more low, the price should reach that 1880 level, which is the next Fibonacci support level and also downside Fibonacci target. In addition to that, we've got this $24 level that the price touched basically a few days ago, and this was also one of these key Fibonacci levels. So if one is broken, typically the price would go to the next one. So I'm watching actively for a reversal, but can only really confirm it once we get the right structure in place and a break above resistance and above the descending price channel's upper boundary line. At the moment, the price is in a resistance area. It is defined between $26.27 and $29.56. So as long as we're holding in that resistance area, there is no, or even below, there is no really good solid confirmation that a low is in place, okay? At the moment, we have a 3-wave rally that you can see that developed from the last swing low when the price bottomed locally here at $24. It's a 3-wave move. We are in the resistance area, and $28 and $29.58 are the next levels to watch. So a break above resistance would be the first indication that something more bullish is unfolding. But I would really like to see a more convincing break out of the upper boundary line of the descending price channel for further clarification. The idea is, when we zoom out a little bit, that if this really is a C-wave down, one more low is a very likely option. One more low is a very likely option and actually preferred. It can always bottom a little earlier, then it would be a WXY structure, a less probable pattern. Therefore, I need to see further confirmation. This is literally just a corrective rally at the moment. The 1880 level is important because it is the 61.8 retracement, one of the key fib levels, and it's also the 100% extension. So we have two key Fibonacci levels that overlap there. A break below the last low, this B-wave low at $25.45, would indicate that this 5th wave to the downside has started.